Hello, it's me again. Today I want to do an unboxing of Game of Thrones Season 2 and 3 that just arrived to my home today. So, previously I purchased the first Game of Thrones. Certainly, Game of Thrones was released back in the early 2010s. It was 2011 and I couldn't afford to buy the Blu-ray package of the movie, and it was rather difficult to find the set in my country. And after buying the first Game of Thrones and rewatching that, I decided to purchase the second and third season. So this just arrived today, and we're going to do an unboxing of this one. So comparing the packaging, this one consists of two Blu-ray boxes, and two seasons looks a lot smaller compared to the first one. So the first one is a fancier package, a special edition. I think this one is more exclusive compared to the second and third season that I purchased. The first one got the dragon egg bonus, and there you go. And that's the Blu-ray. Game of Thrones Season 2 and Game of Thrones Season 3. Both are sealed, and we're going to do an unboxing of this one. So this Blu-ray actually has J cards. I always try not to damage the J card. So I think it's a J card and a slipcover. So perhaps we can make a cut here. Oh, that's quite difficult actually. And over there, and also over there. And yeah, this is actually a slipcover, so we do not need to throw away the J card. And inside, so the design of the box is different from the slipcover. That is the design of the front cover, spine, the other spine, and that's the back from the J card. It says experience exclusive Blu-ray features, the best show on television. So let's try to see the actual box. That's the front cover, spine, the box, spine, and that's on the back. The design is actually very uniform with the first one. The first one is just in a fancier box, but inside the design is exactly like this one, but of course different cover artwork design. Inside you can find the actual Blu-ray. That's the Blu-ray digipack. Inside you can see the images of the characters and the actual Blu-ray disc. And some important notice, supplementary material for this package. And we have, what is this one? The DVD digital copy. That's the digital copy. Yeah. Let's put this back to the slip cover. And put it back to the outer slipcover. So we managed to open this package without damaging the actual shrink wrap, so we can keep the J card intact, which is the way I like it. And now we're going to move to the second package, that is Game of Thrones Season 3. That is the design of the front cover, spine, other spine, the top, and the bottom. But this does not look like the second one. I think this one only has one slipcover and without outer slipcover like the second season. So we're going to make a cut through here if possible. Hold on a moment. Oh, I think this one actually has an outer slipcover, but the outer slipcover is actually a plastic. So we're going to make exactly a similar cut through this part, like what we did with the second season. Yeah, it's rather... Oh no, it's easier with hand. And let's check if this one is actually a slipcover. Oh my. I don't think this is a slipcover like the first one. Well, how can we... Oh. Perhaps I was mistaken. Perhaps this is... Oh boy. Oh yeah, it's a slipcover. I was right. So that's the slipcover is like this very very thick plastic, which is quite fancy, and that is the actual box with slipcover inside. So the package design for the first, second, and third seasons, they're very very uniform. Inside, you can find the actual digipack and digital code, I believe. Yeah, DVD digital copy. And that's the actual digipack with, of course, the images of the characters from the series. And supplementary materials for season 3. And I'm going to put it back to the slipcover. Oh, wait. We need to put it back to the inner slipcover first before putting it back to the outer slipcover. There you go, Game of Thrones Season 3. Season 2 and Season 3. I'm going to rewatch these during the weekend. So that is all that I wanted to share with you at this very moment. If you're still with me, I sincerely say thank you. Take care and goodbye.